So today we've finally put together the TCB900 TTI set, which was the service video. I think it was for the 18th of November. When we came to do a scratchy corner test and we had it in this position, we discovered that in fact there was nothing coming from the internal speaker apart from a little kind of squeaky racket, and it turns out the speaker was, I think the best word for it was knackered. So we went on AliExpress and we managed to find a 45mm speaker that slightly bulkier up towards the back, but Mr. Chippie's managed to fit it. But it's not intended to ever change it, because you've got to take away the front printed circuit board, which is soldered to the main printed circuit board. You know, it takes a lot of doing, and I think Mr. Chippie's taken 2 hours putting the radio back together. And surprisingly, it works. I don't know what H means on the display. Does that mean horrible? Anyway, we'll find out, because these radios seem to work quite well. This is a customer's repair, and he's one of our trade customers, so we would like it to go back to him in one piece. So you've already seen the video for the servicing. So 3 weeks later, this is the video.
21 from Mr. Chippie.
Tango 21, loud and clear.
Roger, just been scraping the windscreen. It was a bit frozen, so I'm on my way now.
Okay, well it sounds alright, considering we've changed the speaker.
Roger that.
I don't know why it says H on the display. What do you think that stands for? Hospital?
No idea. Is that what it should say?
No idea. Anyway, you can see how bothered I look, can't you? I'm really bothered. Perhaps high. Probably it's H for high power, meaning 4 watts.
Right, coming up to the end of the line.
Okay, Roger on that. I can't remember what power this was doing, and we'll put it on the test set tomorrow before sending it back to the customer. So got you at the end of the line.
Roger that.
I would say though, anybody using sets with these little front mounted speakers, if you're going to have any volume on them, like you're in a diesel vehicle, put an extension speaker on, because they're so tiny. They're not. It says 5 watt rated on it. Do I believe that? No, I don't believe that.
Right, we're now passing Ancaster service station.
Tango 21 receiving loud and clear Ancaster service station.
And we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger that. Right, we're now passing the top of the hills. We'll go down into Wilsford, over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger.
I'm on manual squelch here.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, just going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford, over.
Roger, got you going through Scratchy Corner, loud and clear.
Roger that. Right, square wheeled at Wilsford level crossing. I hope this isn't the big train.
You're not often square wheel at that level crossing, are you? And I know what you mean by the big train. Is that the one with all the military things which we're not supposed to know about?
I think so. No, I can see some lights in the distance, so it's the passenger train, hopefully.
Roger. Yeah, trains kind of end, because there's a level crossing about quarter mile down the road from me, and when the wind's in the right direction you can hear trains passing, and all trains end at a particular time. Then about 3 hours later a really big train goes through and you don't know what it is.
Oh, we're now passing through Wilford level crossing, or going over it, or whatever.
Roger on that, loud and clear.
Right, we're now passing the Kelby turn.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Passing the Greyleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn, and that's very good as well.
Roger that.
Roger, got you at the Rawsby level crossing. That concludes the test, and no doubt you're going shopping.
Yeah, for Roger.
Okay, catch you later. Tango Towers, Tango 21 out.
Yeah, okay.
Well, that worked very well indeed, didn't it? In fact, it worked nearly as well as an old set. Not that old sets are any good. Well, there we are. So that's the on-the-air test for that. So we'll just go over to our base station and see what it sounds like. Tango 21, testing the customer's TTI TCB900 into our Harrier CB HQ base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and thank you for watching.